Chanel runway looks with everyday items you already have. Hi, I'm Dawn. This is Hudson Vintage. Today, I'm going to show you how to go into your closet and identify those timeless, trendless pieces that you can use to recreate that classic French style. Chanel is all about those shapes and that monochromatic palette. The shapes don't vary much from season to season or year to year. And one of the things that Chanel does so beautifully is mix all the different fabrics in that monochromatic way. It's very recognizable to see a silk blouse with an organdy bow and a woolen felted skirt and a boucle jacket in a very monochromatic palette. That is the essence of the Chanel style. Some of these looks are less exact runway replicas and more conflation of several runway looks over the course of 2 or 3 shows. The reason for that is I want to inspire you to go and see what you have and how you can put it together, and because Chanel repeats itself over and over again. They're all very recognizable Chanel ideas, and they're all pieces that we already have. I'm going to show you how I recreate 10 Chanel runway looks, and none of it is new. It's all vintage or thrifted, yes, thrifted or collected. And we're going to be really ambitious, and we're going to be using actual images from the runway shows. I will say subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming. I'm going to be doing all the jewelry in this video, and some of the long necklaces I actually made, so I'll be talking about that. And also this. This is an embroidered, thrifted, vintage sari that I'm going to be turning into a dickie. And look at it. Look at the height of the embroidery and the large crystals. This is vintage 1960s, and it's a beautiful pink and green, and that's one of the next videos coming up. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you for watching.
to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop. Come on. Listen to me. I've tried so many times to tell you this is as good as I can be. Why isn't it enough to be faithful and also be the hit of the party? Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced. And I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Never gonna stop. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I ain't never gonna stop. No, no. Oh, I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Never gonna stop now, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. I ain't never gonna stop now, baby. Woo-hoo. Never gonna stop now, baby.
With it, and also the embroidered detail in one way in run, and also the embroidered detail in one of the runway looks, and also